Assalamu alaikum guys, what is happening? As a friend named FnF99 here with amazing and great video, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the two IDE, and IDE also stands for Integrated Development Environment. So we are going to choose the two IDE for our Python. The one is going to be Visual Code and the other is going to be your PyCharm. So we are just going to discuss about those two IDE, that what which IDE is the best for you, and in the other video you are going to see the setup of those two IDE, and after that we are going to get started with the Python. So for the Visual Studio Code, you don't have to do anything. You can just write over here or type over here the Visual Code, and it will directly get you to the visualstudio.com website, from where you can download the Visual Studio Code. Okay, and the other is PyCharm. You can also get it on the internet. Just type over here PyCharm, and it will get you to the chatbrains.com website, from where you will get the PyCharm professional version. Okay, now if you see it like this, we got side by side both best, you can say, versions of the Python on which people usually used to do the programs of Python. Now the question is this, that which IDE is best for the Python? So I'm going to choose the PyCharm. And why is that, and why I'm not choosing the Visual Studio Code, and why I'm choosing PyCharm over Visual Studio Code? So why I'm choosing Visual Studio Code over PyCharm, and why I'm not choosing Visual Studio Code? Well, there is, you can say, or there are many sort of difference in it, and you can say very much, not too much difference in it, but you can say that PyCharm is way too much easier to use than Visual Studio Code. And why is that? We are going to learn it in a next video, that how and why this Visual Studio Code is a bit harder, or you can say a bit complicated than PyCharm. And how's that? Because when we are going to do the setup of the Python in the Visual Studio Code, you are going to know about that. The basic and the most simple explanation I can give you about it, that Visual Studio Code doesn't come with any Python's library installed in it. As terms of the PyCharm, it got everything you need for your basic project development, you can say. So why is that? Why Visual Studio Code doesn't come with the Python simple, packages installed in it? No. Even for you to run the Python code on the Visual Studio Code, you have to install Python package in it, and then you can start running simple Python code like hello world and all that kind of function in it. As for the PyCharm professional version, everything just comes pre-installed. Only the big packages you want to use it on a bigger, softwares you are creating, so you just need to install those. But the basic and the little packages that every projects required are, you can say, that absolutely comes with the PyCharm. But the difference is that Visual Studio Code is absolutely free, whereas PyCharm IDE for professional developers is not free. So this is a bit of a, you can say, downfall to it. And you can say that PyCharm only comes with a month trial. You can only use it for a month, and after that you have to go and buy their subscription, you know that. And Visual Studio Code over here is absolutely free, and you do not need to buy any sort of license for it. You just have to install packages. And now you guys must be wondering that why I am still going for the PyCharm rather than going for the Visual Studio Code. Well, I must say that there are some packages, or you can say libraries, that allow us to reverse the expiration date of the software when it's like you got 10 days left and your free subscription of the PyCharm is going to get expired. But after installing our package or a library into the PyCharm, and it will absolutely allow you to refresh your expiration date, and the expiration date from 10 is going to get back to the 30 days, and by that you can use PyCharm for the rest of your life without even getting a PyCharm official license, and you can create any sort of software in PyCharm. In the next video, we are going to see the all over environmental development of the IDE of the Visual Studio Code and the other IDE of the PyCharm, that how we are going to set the environment of the Python in the Visual Studio Code and how we are going to set the environment of the Python in the PyCharm. Thank you very much for watching my today's video, and I hope you found it a bit more informative. And if you have really subscribed to my channel, I would say that thank you very much for the support you guys are giving to me, and those who haven't subscribed to my channel, it's okay, you got time. Have a great day, everyone.